up, everybody? How you feeling? It's your boy, Pastor Dre. Look, I'm excited, man. No, not about my shirt. Let your haters be your motivators. No, I'm not excited about that. I'm excited about this new online course that I just finished on how to design a ministry website. So now you have no more excuses of why your church cannot have a website. This tutorial will walk you through step by step on how to design a website for your church, your business, your ministry, your youth ministry, your music group, your singing group, whatever it may be. It's time to take your online presence to the next level. You have no more excuses. It's 2015, man. It's time to take your online presence to another level. So go ahead. Let's get into this course, step-by-step tutorial on how to design a ministry website. Here we go. Let's do it. All right, everybody. The first thing you want to do is when you're designing a website is you want to decide on your domain name. What is a domain name? A domain name is what people will type into this bar here to find your website. For example, you got yahoo.com, you have facebook.com, you have google.com. So whatever you want people to type in to find your website is going to be your domain name. Now, I would recommend you coming up with about 3 or 4 choices. So say I'm making a website for a youth ministry. My domain could be onfireyouthministry.com or .org or .net, .com being the most popular. I could decide radicalyouthministry.com or youthministryonfire.com. Okay? So you want to decide on about 2 or 3, maybe even 4, just in case your first selection is not available. Now, how do you go about checking the availability of your domain? You're going to go to your browser and you're going to type in learn to create a website.com. I've set all this up for you. Okay? It's going to take you to a page where you can search for domain names and see if they're available. So let's go ahead and do that. So our first priority is going to be onfireyouthministry.com. So what you want to do is you see where it says search a domain. You click right there. So let's type On Fire Youth Ministry. Okay, and we're going to hit search. Then it's going to take you to another page where you're going to check the availability. So let's go ahead and see when that comes up. Okay, here we go. So right here you want to check, you want to type it in again, On Fire Youth Ministry. And you want to click where it says check availability. It's going to let you know if it's available or not. All right, congratulations. onfireyouthministry.com is available. So that is how you check and search for a domain name. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to set up some hosting, and we're going to purchase the hosting and our domain name. So stay tuned for the next lecture. Okay, great. Now that onfireyouthministry.com is available, we're going to go ahead and decide and choose on our web hosting. We're going to click Order Now. And then right here, there's going to be a little thing that pops up that says Hosting. See that? No hosting. Click to add. We want to add hosting. So go ahead and click that. Now you have a few options. For $8 a month, you get 30 gigabytes, 1,000 gigabytes of bandwidth, and you get 3 domains that you can host on your same server. So you can choose up to 3 domain names. For premium, $12 a month, you get 50 gigabytes, 2,000 gigabytes of bandwidth, and includes 3 domain names. Now, also you get a control panel, 24/7, 365 support for each package. For advanced, $15 a month, you get unlimited HDD, 4,000 gigabytes bandwidth, and includes 10 domain names. Now for gold, you get, for $20, you get unlimited HDD, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited domains, global CDN, control panel, and 24/7, 365-day support. So we're going to decide on, let's do the advanced. We're going to click Order Now. Now once again, we're getting our hosting. We've already got our domain name. It's available. We're excited. So let's get our hosting. I like to explain it like this. Your domain name is your address, and your hosting is going to be your house. Okay? So you want to use a domain already in my shopping cart. That's what you want. Here's your domain that you want to choose, onfireyouthministry.com. or whatever you chose. Of course, yours is going to be different. It should be. Click to continue. All right. Now you got shared hosting plans. We chose the $15 a month. You could also do annually. It's up to you. Scroll down. Here's a few add-ons. Site backups. I would recommend that. Spam expert add-on. I don't mess with that. Add to cart. Exciting, huh? You're getting one step closer to designing your own website. All right. So onfireYouthMinistry.com has hosting. You could do ID protection. It's up to you. I'm not going to mess with that. Okay. So now, once you've decided your domain name and your hosting package, here is our shared hosting plan. OnFireYouthMinistry.com, $15 a month. We added site backups, $1.95. And we have our domain registrations for a year on FireYouthMinistry.com for $10. Our subtotal for today is $26.95. Total due today is $26.95. Total recurring, $16.95 a month, and $10 annually. But I'm going to show you how you could get rid of this $15 and get your first month of hosting free. See where it says promotional code? Click, type in free month. Okay, promotional code, free month. Hit validate code. This is going to change. There you go. It went from $26.95, $15 discount. Now you only got to pay $11.95 today. All right? That's awesome, huh? So you get your first month free. Go ahead and click checkout. Once you hit checkout, it's going to take you to a page where you put all your details in, your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, email, password, and all that good stuff. Now you could choose to pay, or also you could share the contact you'll want to use here, or you could add a new one. Your credit card or PayPal, you could choose to pay by one of those selections, either credit card or by PayPal. All right, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click complete order. All right, you're one step closer. Let's get into the next lecture. Okay, now once you sign up for your web hosting, you're going to get an email from JVZoo Host. Go ahead and click that email, and it's going to give you all your information that you need to log into your control panel. And this is where it starts getting exciting. Okay, see where it says username and password? Then it says control panel right here. You want to click that, and you hit OK. Right now I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in your new web hosting platform. Okay, you're going to get this page here. And what you want to do is you want to copy and paste your username and put it in this box. Then you want to go get your password that was emailed to you, copy and paste, and put it in this box. Then you're going to hit login. Okay. Once you log in, you are actually in what's called your control panel. Now this is where you control your website, make adjustments to your web hosting, I should say, not website, where you make adjustments to your web hosting and you get statistics and all that good stuff. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to install WordPress into your web hosting. So you scroll down, all the way down till you see where it says WordPress. You click that. Okay, you want to click install, and you want to choose the website that you just purchased or the domain you just purchased. I'm going to be designing my own website, PastorDre.com, so I'm going to choose that. You want to get rid of the WP. You don't want that there. Scroll down some more. Site name, I'm going to call mine PastorDre.com. Okay. Description, I'm just going to put anything for now. Let's put over 26 years of youth ministry experience. Okay. Scroll down some more. This is going to be your username and password for your dashboard. And the dashboard is where you make corrections and add all kinds of things to your website. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put admin for now for my username, and my password, I'm going to put password 1, exclamation point. My admin email, I'm going to put PastorDre@PastorDre.com. Okay, Select language, English. You can limit login attempts in case someone tries to hack your account and they make mistakes. Say 3 or 4 times typing in your password, it will lock your account for a certain amount of time. I'm not going to choose that. Scroll down, decide what theme you want for your website. For now, I'll just choose this one. We're going to change it later, but just for now, for tutorial's sake. Let's go ahead and hit install. And now you're going to be installing WordPress to your website. And this is where it starts to get really exciting, because WordPress is where you design, upload, update, make changes, add all kinds of things to your website. Okay? So there you go. You should get a message saying congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Isn't that good stuff? So to log in to what's called your dashboard, you're going to click here. Okay? Click there. And remember that admin and password that you made? Mine was admin and password 1 exclamation. You're going to type that information that you made here. Admin, and mine was password 1 exclamation point. And you hit login. Now this is going to take you to your dashboard, and this is, like I said, this is where you make all your changes. You add plugins, you do all kinds of fun stuff to your website. So are you ready to start putting in some work to design your website? You're one step closer to making your own website. Let's get into the next lecture. Okay, so now we're in our dashboard. This is where a lot of the changes take place. So let's, first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new theme to our website. Okay, I just downloaded a basic theme, but I'm going to install what's called the Vantage theme. And before I do that, let me just give you a bonus. When we installed this WordPress, we logged in to our dashboard from our control panel. But now I'm going to show you how to log into your dashboard from anywhere on the internet. You type in your domain name, type in /WP-admin. And that will take, oops, I think I put too many, oh no, it worked. And that will take you to your dashboard. So let me go ahead and log out. Okay, I'm going to log out. And the cool thing about installing WordPress is you can design your website from anywhere on the that has internet access. So I'm going to log out on purpose, okay? And we're going to close this. All right, so now when I type in the web browser, pastordre.com /WP admin, it's going to ask me for username and password. Okay, you want to store this information so you can have access to it. Remember, our username was what? Admin. Yours may be something different. Our password, mine was password 1 exclamation point. So anywhere that has internet access, I can log into my dashboard and make changes to my website. That's too cool. So here's our dashboard. So let's go ahead and install a theme. I'm going to go to Appearance, and we're going to click Themes. We're going to go to Add New, and the theme that I'm going to be working with to update my website is the Vantage theme. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Vantage. I love this theme. It's off the hook. See where it says, now I'm going to install it. You're going to click Install. All right, so this is going to install a new theme to our website. Right now, our website looks like this. Okay, but let's go ahead and install our new theme. We're going to, after you're done installing it, it's going to say Activate. You want to click Activate. Okay, let's go ahead and let it activate. Okay, now it's installed. So let's go ahead and refresh our website, and let's see how this new theme looks. There it is. There's the theme we just installed. Isn't that awesome? One step closer to designing your own website. So now what we're going to do is I would recommend you to get the Vantage Theme Premium. I mean, all they ask for is a donation. That's it. That's all they ask for. $1, $5, $10, and it just adds so many more features to your website. I've already bought it, so I'm going to type in my code and enable upgrade. I would really recommend you. I mean, all they ask for is a donation. $1, $5, $10. It's worth about $100, to be honest. update theme, and we're going to click OK. All right. So now we have installed a new theme to our website. Now let's get into adding some good stuff to the theme. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Okay, now that you have the theme installed, I'm going to show you how to make some minor tweaks that'll take your designing of your website to another level, make it so much easier. This is good stuff. First thing we want to do is you want to go to Appearance, and you want to go to Home Page. When you go to Home Page, you're going to want to install the Page Builder. That's going to take your editing to a whole nother level. Activate plugin. Okay? We're going to call this Minor Tweaks section. Okay? Next thing you want to do is after you activate the plugin, you want to go to Appearance again, and you want to go to Home Page. Okay? Now once you go to Home Page, you want to activate the custom home page. See that right there? You want to activate that, and you want to hit Save. Okay? Now once you do that, you're going to go back to your website, and let's take a look and see what we've added, or how it looks now. Okay? It's loading up. Internet's going kind of slow, forgive me. Go grab yourself a cup of coffee or a juice or something. Okay? And let's see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. Now what you notice is that our slider is not there. See how it's gone? We're going to work on that a little bit later. But for now, I'll just go back and enable the temporary slider. So you go to Theme Settings. We're going to put a nice slider in there, so it'll be okay. All right. And then you want to go to go to Home. And then you click here, and you just hit Demo Slider, and it'll reactivate the slider for you. Okay? Which is not a big deal, but if you're wondering where it went, it's still there. So you just hit refresh, and now the slider will pop up. There it is. Okay, so now you got your slider, you got the icons, you got a headline widget, you got a place for your latest post, and you got a place for some information. All right, let's move on to the next lecture. Okay, so right now our website is up and running. People can log in. All they got to do is type your domain in the board here. I mean, in the, forgot what you call this, address bar, and hit enter, and your website will show up. It's exciting, huh? This is how our website looks now. So we're going to go ahead and start making some changes to our website. And right now what we're going to do is we're going to add a banner, and we're going to adjust this menu right here. So let's go ahead and do that. Once again, let me log out on purpose so you could know what to do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and log out. Now let's see if you remember. In order to log into my dashboard, what do I type up here? Type in Pastor Dre, which would be your domain, /WP admin, which can be done from any browser. You're going to type in your username, admin, and then I'm going to type in my password. Oops, made a mistake there. Sorry about that. So you're going to type in admin, then I type in my password, and it should let me into my dashboard. Okay, so now once I'm in my dashboard, we're going to go ahead and change the banner. We're going to change this part right here. Okay, in order to do that, you go to Appearance, Theme Settings. Okay. All right, and then you want to go where it says, see where it says logo? You want to choose that. Choose that right there. Choose logo. Your logo image is what you want. Now, you want to upload your file. I've already designed my logo. You could have someone design one for you. You could design your own, however you want to do it. So, I'm going to go to Select Files. Okay. And I'm going to have to pull the logo from my hard drive or wherever you have yours stored. So I believe mine is under Website. And then let me scroll down, see if I can find logo. see here, logo. There it is. I'm going to choose this logo here. I don't think I've actually saved it. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do now is I'm going to have to go. Let me show you this also. So just in case you have Photoshop, I'm going to give you an extra tip right now. Okay? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make this a JPEG. Right now it's a PSD file. That's a Photoshop file, which you can't upload. So we're going to go to Photoshop, and we're going to find this PSD file. Scroll down to logo. I believe it's called logo 2. And we're going to open it. Okay? This is an extra credit here. All right. Now, once your logo loads up or your file loads up, you're going to go over here to File, Save for Web. And we're going to make it a JPEG. So you choose JPEG and you hit Save. And you want to save it in whatever folder you choose. I'm going to save mine in my website folder. Okay, so now when I go here to upload files, I'm going to select the file to upload. I go to C, my C drive, pastorray.com, and I go to website, and it should be logo 2 as a JPEG. Let's see if we can find it. There it is, logo 2 JPEG. So double click, it'll start uploading the file for you. Okay, now this could be your music ministry, this could be a ministry group, rap group, singing group, church, banner, business, whatever logo, whatever your website is going to be about, you can make your logo for that. I'm going to set logo, and I'm going to save settings. Okay, so now when I go over here and I refresh my web page, I should have my banner that pops up or my logo that pops up here. Let's see what happens. All right, there it is. There's our logo. Isn't that cool? But if you notice, there's a little bit of spacing here. So I'm going to show you how to take that out. You're going to go to Customize. Okay, so Appearance, Customize. Internet's going a little bit slow. All right. And then once you get to customize, you want to go to where it says menu. You want to click where it says menu. Okay, menu. I'm sorry, not menu. Let me see where I'm at. Theme designs, then menu. And it's going to take us here. We want to get rid of this spacing. So you scroll down. Scroll down. See where it says padding? Sorry, that's the wrong one. Let's go to, let me see, where am I at here? That's menu. I need to go to page. Let me see, where am I at here? Fonts, general. There we go. My bad. So you want to go, let me start over. So you're going to go to theme design, general, and then see where it says header padding? You can make that a 0. Or you can make it a 1, 2, however much spacing you want. I'm going to make it a 2. Then you hit save and publish. Okay, after you hit save and publish, now our banner should be a little different. There you go. Now the spacing has been removed. And you can make the spacing whatever you want. Now let's get into fixing this menu. Let's go to theme design, menu, and here's your background color. You can change it to whatever you want. Watch how it begins to change. See that? Let's make ours blue. A little darker. Move this around over here. Okay. And there you go. That's how you adjust your header and your menu. All right. Now you got to hit save. Let's go ahead and hit save. Go ahead and refresh your website. Now you've adjusted your banner and you've adjusted the color of your menu. Let's get to the next lecture.